Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this trending overlay in Alight Motion. So if you want to create stunning overlays in Alight Motion like a pro, you can just follow this beginner-friendly tutorial because I'll show you how you can use the latest overlay effects to make how you can create the latest overlay videos using the applications. So what you need to do is just launch the Alight Motion app and then tap on this plus icon and start a new project using this 9 by 16 ratio. Tap on create project. You can just click on a plus icon to start and add the rectangle shape, and in here click on the move and transform and choose this one to make it to enlarge it. You can just swipe until all of the rectangle cover the canvas. Okay, like this. And now go back and click on this color and fill and choose the gradient option. So now you'll see this gradient settings. So here click on the first color and change it into black, and the second color also change it into black, so it will be a black background like that. And now adjust the duration to how you like it. I'm going to just set it around 20 seconds. And now you can just click on effects, add effects. So here just click on the magnifying glass and then search for a star effect. This one. Click on the standard settings and just follow my settings in here. For the position, set it to -20 and the radius 0.305. And for the brightness, set it to 3.070. Shine 0.160. Okay, and then the points, set it to 30 like this. Now you can just go back and add another effects. Click on effects and add effects. Now add tunnel effects. So search for it, tunnel, this one. Click on the standard setting and here set the phase into 1.40. And then the fog 1.12. Depth. So on the depths in here, you can add a keyframe at the start and then at the end. At the first keyframe, set the depth into 0.405. And then on the second keyframe, set it on bigger amount. Sorry. Okay, I think it's enough. And click on a twirl, set it to 5.5. And next, wrap, set it into 8. And the crop is 1.005. Go back, and now lastly add the exposure or gamma effect. This one, standard settings, and set the exposure to 2. Okay, the maximum. And now you are done, and this will be the result. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button.